Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. I am Dr. K. Asokan, Associate Professor at Department of Tribally GC Bargur. Today we are going to discuss the interesting topic of one of the artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm of artificial neural network, that is ANN. First I give some overview of the presentation. Before going to ANN, I list out the what are the mathematical methods are used to solve the engineering problems. Next, why we going to AI methods and evolutionary programming methods to solve the engineering problem. After, I give some introduction about the AI artificial neural network. Then, what are the functions, structure, operation, and types of ANN, and what are the softwares or simulators are used in the artificial neural networks. All are discussed in this class. Generally, in our engineering field, having different types of problems are there, such as optimization problem, control problem, recognition problem, speech recognition, image processing, speech processing, clustering problems, data analysis. Number of the problems are available in our engineering fields. In yearly, at the past, the more number of mathematical methods has been developed and used to solve the problems. The mathematical methods are linear programming, nonlinear programming, mixed integer programming, Lagrangian relaxation, Gauss-Seidel method, Newton-Raphson method, Runge-Kutta method, fast decoupled methods, Euler method, Millen predictor corrector, interior point optimization, Monte Carlo simulations, game theory approach. More number of mathematical methods has been used to solve the problems. The mathematical methods only suitable for the which problem having perfect mathematical model or well defined function. This type of problems only solved using the mathematical approaches. That is, the problem having proper objective function, proper variables, the proper constraints. So this type of problem can easily solved by using the mathematical approaches. Suppose any one of the data is missing, or it have more number of unknown variables. So these problems cannot solved by using the mathematical approaches. In otherwise, in our problem having multi-objective functions, that is the minimization function, maximization function, it having multi dimensions. It is the suppose the size of the matrix will be high, more. The order of the matrix is more means the multiplication division of the problem is very complex. So it take more time to getting the solutions. Suppose in our problem is having non-linear function, that is the less than 0 or greater than 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. This type of notation is coming in our problem. When you apply the mathematical method to solve the non-linear function, it suffer the convergence and stuck into the local optima. Suffer the convergence means it give the premature solutions. Premature means it gives the nearby solution. It does not give the exact answer. The accurate result is not given. It gives the premature nearby answer, that is called local optima. It does not give the global solution. The best solution, the optimal solution is not given by applying the mathematical method in the nonlinear problems. So we going to studying the machine learning algorithms. The machine learning algorithms are easily solve the nonlinear problems. Generally, the machine learning algorithms such as the expert system, fuzzy systems, artificial neural networks, all are the machine learning algorithms. And the evolutionary algorithms such as genetic algorithm, particle swarm optimizations, AND calling optimization, B calling optimization. Recently, number of soft computing techniques has been developed. RAW algorithm, JA algorithm, number of soft computings day by day developed to solve the engineering problems very easily. Okay, so now I am going to give some definition about the neural network. The neural networks are is defined as the system of interconnected neurons. The neurons or neurocells are basic building blocks of your brain, which are biological neural networks. The structure of neural networks is shown here. This is the structure of neural network. The structure you already studied in 10th and 12th standard. I am not go inside the basic structure of neurons. The ANN is one of the artificial intelligence technique based on the imitation of human brain. Okay, your human brain has the ability to learn the new things, adapt the new and changing environment. The brain has most amazing capacity to analyze the incomplete, unclear, fuzzy information and makes its own judgment. Okay, our brain having very good capacity. It gives the solution for incomplete informations. Okay, it gives the best judgment. Our brain gives the best judgment. Next, the artificial neural networks are is the computational tools which are modeled after brains. It is made up of interconnected structure of artificially produced neurons that function as pathways for data transfer. The ANN becomes the family of artificial intelligence along with fuzzy logic, expert system and a support vector machines. That is, ANN is one of the member for artificial intelligence from the fuzzy logic experts. It is similar to fuzzy logic expert system and support vector machines. Okay, ANN has been designed in various configurations, each having their own characteristics, applications, merits and demerits. So generally different types of neural networks are there. So each neural network having different configurations, different characteristics, different application, different merits and demerits. Because our brains also, all brains is not same, all brains are different. Similarly, the artificial neural networks also having different configurations, different structures, different applications. Okay, the researchers are used to solve the variety of the problems: pattern recognition problem, prediction problem, forecasting problem, optimization problems and control problems. More number of problems are applied to getting the best solution. As shown this in the structure of artificial neural network. Generally, the artificial neural network having three layers are there. First one is input layer, hidden layers and finally output layer. Okay, this is the input layer, hidden layer and output layer. So in the hidden layers, the one or more layers are there. Depends upon your problem. Your problem is a very simple problem, means you consider the one or two hidden layers is enough. Suppose your problem is very big problem, means you consider the more number of hidden layers. The hidden layers is nothing but it prepare the solution, it trains the data. The hidden layers are used to trains the data. It prepare the solution, output result. Okay, so first one is input layer, hidden layers, and finally output layers. As shown this in the structure. So in the structure, it is in the structure I consider the only one hidden layers. The first one is the input layer. Then the input layers, the input is given into the input layer. Then the inputs are transferred into the hidden layer. The hidden layers, it is trains the data and finally it is given into the output layer. Okay, this is next you go into the structure. It is structure for shown in this structure. So in the structure for one input layer, the more number of hidden layers are there. This is first hidden layer, second, third, up to k hidden layers are there. Finally one output layer. Okay, one output layer. Now I explain the the functions of artificial neural network with a simple mathematical idea. I have shown this in the structure. First, the input x1, x2 up to xn. These are the inputs of the inputs of your neural network. This is x1, x2 up to xn. These are the input of your neural networks. Then w1, w2 is the weighting function. So the weight is very important in your artificial neural network. What do you mean by weight? So the weight is depends upon your importance. Suppose you going to you eat the lunch. So in your lunch having the biryani, ice cream, white rice, number of varieties are there. So somebody I like biryani. So biryani means I give more weight to the biryani. So the biryani is the one of the important for me. So I give more weightage to biryani. Next I give the weightage for ice cream. Finally I am going to eat the white rice. So less weight is given into the white rice. So it depends upon the weightage, depend upon the importance of your problem. You give the weight randomly. You give any value. Which one is the important means you give more weight. So not important means you don't give the weightage. Okay. Next, it is the input and weighting function. The input and weighting function multiply with here, and finally all input is added here. That is it is added value is given into the finally is given into the sum of all values, and finally given into the activation function. Okay, activation function. So this idea I explained by using the simple mathematical method, simple mathematical idea. You go through the simple mathematical equations. What is the the straight line equation? Straight line equation is, so this is y equal to mx plus c is the simple mathematical the straight line equation. Here the y is the output. What is the m? M is the slope, x is the input, and c is the y intercept. C is the y intercept. So here m is the gradient. Gradient means it is a slope. C means y intercept. Suppose your c value is 0. Suppose your c value is 0 means the straight line is passing through the passing through the origin. Straight line is passing through the origin. Suppose your y value is given into your problem, so the lines is towards or move into the y axis. Understand or not? So this mathematical idea is applied into your neural network. You consider the one of the node. This is node. In this node is the sum of the point. Y equal to mx plus c is it is written in terms of y equal to wx plus b. Y equal to wx plus b. Here y is the output, w is the weighting function or weights, x is the input, b is the bias. So in your mathematically you already told y equal to mx plus c. C means y intercept. Y intercept is now represented as bias. So the bias is very important for to the straight line move the upward and downward depends based on the value of b bias. Okay, so all values are given here. The x input is given. First input x is given here, and the w x with the weight. Here bias value is given. Adding these two, finally you getting the output. So your output is y is trained by only you adjust the value of the input is cannot change. You give the input is unable to change. Only you vary the weighting function and bias function. So only you adjust the values of w and b, we get the proper output. We get the exact solutions. So the exact solution is depends upon the trains and varies the values of w and b. W and B. Understand or not? So this concept is applied here. Now we going to the exact. Now we going to I explain the exact neural network operations. Here the more number of inputs are I given, x1, x2, x3 up to xn input is given. The input function is multiplied with the weighting function w1, w2 up to wn. Finally, multiply with x and w is multiplied with each other and given into the activation function. So in your activation functions, I give the B. So bias is added with in the input function. So finally, it is given into the activation function. So your final equation, how to return the output of the equation? Output of the equation y equal to, what is our output equation? Y equal to f of w transport x plus b. Here w transport, so weighting function take transport. Here x is the column matrix. Similarly, wg also column matrix. You take transport means it is become into the row matrix. So the row matrix multiply with the column, your answer is single value is output. Answer become single value. So your output becomes single. Suppose you don't take the transport, both are row matrix means is a column matrix means this also column matrix, W also column matrix, Y also column matrix means your matrix size will be very high. So it give more number of outputs. So we have to avoid we want only one output, single output only we needed. So it is considered as row matrix. W considered as row matrix. Understand or not? So these are the important mathematical functions of your artificial neural network. Next, we going to the type of neural network. Generally, the artificial neural network different types of there. I commonly specify two types, that is feed forward neural network and a feedback neural network. Feed forward neural network and a feedback neural network. First, we going to feed forward neural network. Feed forward neural network. I shown this in the figure. This is the structure of feed forward neural network. The feed forward neural network is the simplest neural network. It is a simplest neural network and a single way network. Okay, it is a single way network. In this network, it is a signal processed through the unidirection. Signal flowing at a unidirection only. So unidirectional means the signal is passing through only one direction. That is the signal is going through the first one the input to the signal is going to input to hidden layers, the hidden layers to output layer. Only one direction. So the output is given into the input. That is no feedback are available in the feed forward neural network. Okay. Here no loops. Understand here. Here no cycle. Here no cycle or no loops. No cycle or no loops in the feed forward neural network. Okay. This is one of the simplest neural network. Next, we going to feedback neural network. Next, we going to feedback neural network. So feedback neural network means in this type of ANN, the output goes back to the network to achieve the best evolved results immediately, instantly. The network feeds information back to the itself and it is well suited for optimization problem. So your optimization problem, you need the optimal solution. So optimal solution means you optimize the value. So the output is connected into the input. This type of network is called as feedback neural network, or in another name is recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural network is nothing but one of the output of the neural network is connected into the input layer. Okay, so this model is well suited for your optimization problems is easily solved. Otherwise, the internal system error corrections. These corrections all are easily done by using the feedback neural network. Okay. Finally, we going to network software. The neural network software is used to simulate and research and develop and apply the artificial neural networks. The software concepts are adapted from the biological neural networks. Okay, your software is based on the design based on your biological neural network. Okay, different types of the simulators are used in the artificial neural network, such as the research simulator, data analysis simulator, and a simulator for teaching the neural network theory. The research simulator are widely used for the research scholars to solve the number of classification, recognition, and optimization and control problems. The data analysis simulator is used to analyze the data and forecast data. All problems are solved by using the data simulator. Okay, the T and the next I shown the structure of we shown this in the structure of research simulator. The research simulator shown in this structure. So in this the research simulator is well helpful to the solve the number of engineering problems and all this simulator are used in our laboratories to solve the variety of engineering problems in all fields. Okay, dear students, you try to implement the software in your system and try to solve your problem. Okay, thank you for watching my video. You meet in next class. Thank you to all.